Hi, I'm Dr. Blossom Kochhar, and today I'm going to give you a few tips on monsoon hair care. Yeah, monsoons, they really again play havoc with our skin. Not only our skin but also our hair. And you're going to find that your hair gets so limp, it becomes even more oily, and sometimes it also gets frizzy. So we really have to look after our hair during the monsoons, and for that what I suggest is shampooing your hair whenever it gets dirty, and don't use a shampoo for dry hair. Use a shampoo which is more for a normal hair. You can use that. Next thing is, don't use a creamy conditioner. In fact, you can just take a teaspoon of vinegar into a mug of water, put a few drops of essential oil, that whatever you have, you can put in orange, you can put in lavender, which is very good for hair, and just pour it through after you shampooed your hair. The next thing is that I would like you, so don't use a conditioner. And the next is, you can use a hair oil, massage it so that you need to give it strength, but use it before your bath and then shampoo your hair after that.